Hello friends, I am Lakshman. You're watching Learn Programming by Lucky Sir YouTube channel. I hope you're enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click on bell icon to receive latest videos through notification. In this video, I am sharing the most demand programming language for developing e-commerce websites. E-commerce sites can be built using different languages for its front-end and back-end development. When you plan to get an e-commerce website, the first thing that you'll have to consider is to choose the programming language for your project. You want your e-commerce website to be highly functional and visually attractive. Each language has its own strengths and limitations. Therefore, the selection of coding language depends upon your requirements. These languages are used for different purposes and handle different functions and aspects of an e-commerce website. So the following are the most demanded programming language for developing e-commerce website. The first one is JavaScript. You require good HTML knowledge for the first layer. You must know how to use CSS for the second layer. JavaScript is the language you require to know for a better user experience. It describes the approach a web page or app will perform. Additionally, knowing JavaScript permits you to learn such JavaScript frameworks as Ajax or jQuery. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are the basis for everyone who require to gain website developer skills. The second one is Python. Python is a widely used and all-purpose programming language which is energetic in nature. Because of its nature, developer can write and run the code without the required of a compiler. The design of the language supports code readability, which means that its syntax is such that only a few lines of code are required to state a point or concept. This concept is also possible in the case of Java and C++, etc. This language is very easy for beginners to understand and learn. The third one is Java. Java has robust tools to make e-commerce website developers more productive. They are most powerful in debugging, which is crucial in the real-world e-commerce website development. Java is an object-oriented and class-based programming language used in the development of e-commerce websites. It can perform on all types of web browsers that make it a highly versatile language for the e-commerce website developers. It also has integrated development environment that makes it much easy, efficient and fast. The next one is Ruby. Many new startups build their e-commerce websites and apps using Ruby. Ruby is the 12th most used language for the website development. The main reason for the popularity of Ruby on Rails is that it is more flexible and efficient in building complex e-commerce websites. For examples are Airbnb, Bloomberg, and Dribble. So if you need e-commerce website with lots of customization and heavy traffic, Ruby on Rails is the best programming language. The next one is PHP. PHP is a server-side scripting language with the main purpose of web development. However, it is also used as general-purpose computer programming language. It can be mixed with HTML code or combined with various template engines and web frameworks. Finally, I could say some words. There is no best or worst language as we say. It all depends upon your interest. You have number of choices, that is PHP, Java, Python, Ruby, etc. You can choose any one and start preparing from basics and then advanced. Nowadays, each language has number of content management systems developed and many libraries developed which make it easy for development of websites and apps. It will all depend upon your learning skills, what you learn maximum, and in which way you provide best output. My choice would be Magento, as it's the moment it is the number one e-commerce website, and there are over 2,17,000 e-commerce stores developed in Magento platform. So that's all about some of the information. The top programming languages are used for developing e-commerce websites. So thank you for visit. Have a nice day.